Okay, y'all, because it's Thanksgiving and I have all these guests coming over the house, I, of course, want my house to be clean, but I also want it to smell really good. So, it was perfect timing for me to get my new candle in from Aubert and Amadine. I love this brand. If y'all remember from a few weeks ago, I did a vlog where I showed you all of their different candles, and they had those black with the wooden top, really chic looking candles. I absolutely love them. They are luxury candles. They smell so good. These candles are no joke. They're made with aromatherapy essential oils, and they just make your whole house smell amazing. So I am so excited that I just got my new candle in. This is the way that it comes. I'm gonna open it right here with y'all, okay? So you open it up, you can see the name of this candle is called KIEKAN, which this is the Japanese word for crest of the wave. I did some research, so that's what that means. And it's meant to represent the design, which is of a wave, and it's just very simple and timeless. And I love that. So let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, right off the bat, look how cute this is. You can tell that this is such a luxury brand. Just look how cute. And look, their little logo on the front. It says KIEKAN right there. Oh, I love it already. Oh my gosh, guys, right when you open it up, it's porcelain. So the last one's had the wooden top, and this one has the porcelain top, and look. Oh my goodness, it's got the waves, the crest of the wave. That's so cute. I love this. Look how gorgeous this candle is. You can just tell that it is premium quality. And then, oh my God. Oh, right there, like right when you open it up, you can really smell the aromatherapy, the essential oils, the smell. It just, right there, it just hits you. Oh, it's so strong. It smells so good, this candle. Oh, it's like my favorite scent. So this one is the sandalwood and jasmine, which is the same scent of my favorite candle from before, the relax candle. I absolutely love the way that this smells. It's very clean. It just makes my whole house smell very clean and warm. And I just love these candles. This is definitely a luxury brand, okay? This is like the best candle that you can get. This is my favorite brand of candles ever. Oh, I just love the Aubert and Amadine candles.
The Aubert and Amadine candles really help you set the mood with scent. Their fragrance products are designed with beauty and luxury in mind. Beautiful premium quality products that work well. They feature sophisticated designs for the discriminating buyer that are both beautiful and practical. Anyone can have a nice candle, but the Aubert and Amadine candles have highly concentrated fragrance formula of aromatherapy essential oils and fragrances to quickly deliver their aromatic benefits you demand. Their candles are made with high-quality, all-natural ingredients of soy wax and cotton wicks. This means that your candle burns cleaner and more evenly.
I feel like this scent just promotes relaxation and stillness and just very calm and relaxing smell. If you could put relaxation in a smell, I feel like this is what it would smell like. I do love this candle. I think that the way that they're designed and the way that these candles are made is top notch. These are quality products, and I absolutely love this design. It's just the prettiest. This is gonna look so good in my house. Y'all know that I have the little blue accents in every room, so this candle is absolutely perfect for me. I love the design. It really is timeless. Y'all definitely need to go and check out the Aubert and Amadine candles for yourself. You will not regret it. So what you do is you just follow that link in my description. It'll take you right to their site where you can order your own candle, and then I want you to come back and comment and tell me how amazing your house smells after lighting these candles up. Y'all go check them out.